Hello, is that on? Right, my name is Sam. I work at the Open Data Institute. I'm the head of robots. I write software and stuff. So do you all know, have you heard of a Chrome plugin called Cloud to Butt? Any show of hands? Right. There's also a more criticized one called Cloud to Arse. And what it does, it changes any reference to cloud, your browser just turns it into arse. Right, and this is amusing and whatever, right? Do you know what Cloud Bees is? We've heard of Cloud Bees? They make Jenkins. It's a continuous integration server. So, I'm at work one day, and for reasons unknown, all of our Jenkins builds suddenly explode. Everything goes red, nothing's building, everything's failing horribly. And this is very puzzling, and we're looking around. What has changed? Is something upstream broken? But we can't get to GitHub. No, everything looks fine. So my colleague James over here starts looking through the configurations, and he says, "What the fucking hell is arse bees?" The lesson is, do not edit master directly in the browser on GitHub, because it just looks through the thing and it changes everything that says cloud to arse in the form, right? I'm a professional, right? Commit. Boom. Be careful, kids.